Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about initiating the process of changing your age on TikTok. So while there isn't an option to update your profile, there is a way that if you reach out to TikTok chat support, they can engage back with you, and then over time they should be able to update your age, assuming you haven't taken advantage of this feature too many times. They usually will work with you, at least from the research I have done. So in order to initiate that request, all you have to do is navigate to your TikTok profile page. Just select the profile button in the bottom right, and then select the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the application, and then go down and select settings and privacy. And scroll down near the bottom underneath support and about and select report a problem. Left click on that, and then scroll down again and select chat with us. At this point, you go ahead and enter your query at the bottom. Like I said, I would suggest typing in a brief message, something on the line, so you need to change your age. You maybe incorrectly inputted your birthday when you signed up to TikTok. And then it may take several days to hear back from TikTok support. And then hopefully they would be able to help you change that information. Again, unfortunately, there is no way at the time of this recording to actually update your birthday information yourself. You have to get TikTok help desk involved in this. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.